Is your Ford Ranger key fob not working? Most likely, the battery needs replacing. For 29 plus models, it uses a CR2032 battery. First, locate the small notch or keyring slot on the fob. Use a flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the case, starting from the keyring end. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the remote by locking, unlocking, or using the panic button. If the case is difficult to open, apply gentle heat to soften any adhesive. If your Ford Ranger key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, it likely needs reprogramming. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert and remove the key from the ignition 8 times within 10 seconds. Or press the Start-Stop button. The door locks should cycle, indicating programming mode. Press any button on the key fob to program it. Repeat this for any additional fobs. This syncs the fob with the vehicle's computer. If this doesn't work, you may need professional help. Note, battery corrosion is common, so inspect the contacts. Also, avoid using excessive force when opening the case to prevent damage.